When you think of vending machines, you probably imagine grabbing a snack or drink at the press of a button. But what if I told you that this seemingly modern convenience actually has its roots in ancient Greece? Let's travel back nearly 2,000 years to the 1st century CE in Alexandria, Egypt. Here, a brilliant inventor named Hero of Alexandria was making waves with his creations. Hero was not just a philosopher, he was a true engineer and a scientist. He designed some of the world's earliest mechanical devices that still leave us in awe today. Although many people today haven't heard of him, Hero's inventions were truly ahead of their time. From automatic doors to steam engines, his genius stretched far beyond his era. Among Hero's many inventions, one stands out as a precursor to the modern vending machine. Yes, long before we had soda machines, Hero designed a machine that dispensed something far more sacred: holy water. Now, you might wonder, why would ancient Greeks need a vending machine? In Hero's time, holy water played a critical role in religious practices. Worshippers needed to purify themselves before entering the temple, and holy water was a necessity. So, how did it work? Hero's design was simple but ingenious. A coin would be dropped into the machine, and as the coin fell, it would press down a lever connected to a valve. This valve would then release a specific amount of water, just enough for one person to use. Once the coin rolled off the lever, the valve would automatically close, stopping the flow of water. The machine was perfect for controlling the amount of water given out and making sure it was only available when needed. Hero of Alexandria didn't just stop at vending machines. His other inventions were just as groundbreaking. He's credited with designing the first known automatic doors, yes, just like the ones you see at shopping malls today. Hero also created the first steam-powered engine, known as the Yalopyle. This small device used steam to create rotational motion, a concept that wouldn't be fully utilized until the Industrial Revolution. And he didn't stop there. Hero even experimented with creating mechanical devices that could perform tasks automatically, like early robots or automata. Imagine ancient Greeks being amazed by machines that could move on their own. So why was Hero able to come up with all these brilliant ideas? A lot of it had to do with where he lived, Alexandria. Alexandria was one of the most important cities in the ancient world. It was a center of learning, home to the famous Library of Alexandria, where scholars from all over the Mediterranean came to study. This environment of knowledge and innovation helped fuel Hero's inventions. Fast forward to today, and vending machines are all around us. We use them to buy drinks, snacks, and even electronics. While Hero's vending machine may have been simple, the basic concept of dispensing something automatically with a coin hasn't changed. The technology has advanced, but the idea is the same: insert a coin or token, and you get a product. It's amazing to think that this idea was born thousands of years ago. Hero of Alexandria may not be a household name, but his work was revolutionary. From automatic doors to the world's first vending machine, his inventions laid the foundation for many of the technologies we take for granted today. Next time you grab a snack from a vending machine, remember that it all started with a simple holy water dispenser in ancient Greece.